In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to update a table in a database. To determine what records require updating, we'll compare the database table to a file of recent updates using the update detector transformer. Here is the PostGIS database table representing parks in the FME Data Inspector. Edits to these parks have been captured in this MapInfo tab file. Notice that this park has been deleted, and we have a couple of parks where the washrooms and the special features columns have been updated. Note that park ID is the key or match attribute between the two data sets. Let's create a workspace to update the database table with the more recent MapInfo data. In Workbench, we have a workspace already set up with the readers. Now add an update detector to the canvas. This is a custom transformer from the FME Hub. The update detector detects changes between two sets of input features, then routes features out of the appropriate ports. Connect the database table to the original port and the MapInfo table to the revised port. In the properties of the update detector, set the key attribute to park ID, and for attributes to match, select all. The next step is to place an attribute on each of the updated and deleted features whose value specifies whether that feature will be updated or deleted. Place an attribute creator after the deleted port. Enter FME-DB operation for the attribute name and set its value to delete. FME-DB operation is an internal format attribute that's recognized by most database writers. When a feature gets to the writer with this attribute, it instructs the writer on whether to perform an update, delete, or insert on the matching row in the database. So it's really important to set this specific internal format attribute when doing updates to a database. Now, place a second attribute creator and connect it to the updated port. Create another FME-DB operation attribute and set its value to update. Let's quickly run the workspace with full inspection to confirm how many features exit from each port of the update detector. Since we've already reviewed what updates were in the MapInfo file, it's expected to see one feature leaving the deleted port and two features leaving the updated port. Add a PostGIS writer. Since our table already exists, we'll select the Import from Dataset option for the table definition. Select FME Data 2015 for the schema and the Downtown Parks for the table. Add the Downtown Parks table and open its source properties. There are two parameters we need to set in the Format Parameters tab. First, set feature operation to FME-DB operation. Note that though it is also possible to specify update, delete, or insert here at the table level, it is not recommended because that means every feature written to this table can only have one type of operation. So if you have a situation where you have a combination of updates, inserts, and deletes, it's best to set and use FME-DB operation here. Second, set the match column to park ID to ensure the matching rows are updated or deleted in the database table. Run the workspace. Inspect the table in the Data Inspector. We already have it open here, so we'll just refresh. We can confirm that Portal Park has indeed been deleted and Harbor Green and Cathedral Park's attributes have been updated.